Hey, what's up everybody? Out on the trail, heading up a hill. You can see I'm here with Jason from Huck Outdoors. He's right here ahead. We're heading up to Morton Peak. There's a big storm coming in, so we're trying to get up there before the rain. But we had these great views. Check this out. Got San Bernardino Peak back there. Right there. You got the whole valley of the Falls, right? Valley of the Falls. And you got homes right there. That's what Jason and I love about living close to the mountains. This spot literally is a, what, 5-minute drive?
5-minute drive.
Stuff.
And one other good thing, nobody else is on the trail.
Nobody's out here today. So we're enjoying this. Like I said, a big storm's coming in, so we know we're probably gonna get rained on. So we got all the proper tire for that. But we're headed up to the top of the peak here, Morton Peak. And there's a lookout tower up there. We're gonna have some coffee, hang out, chat, catch up. All right, let's get to hiking. Okay, making my way up, huffing and puffing. Huck's up here, he's smoking me. See him right there? Can't keep up with that young guy. Old man here. Look at this guy, he's running. Look at that. Huffing and puffing just like me now. And we're making our way up. It's a beautiful day. I mean, we get so much sun down here in Southern California that this mix-up's nice. We don't usually get a whole lot of rain, but this year we're getting a ton, which is awesome. You can see all the snow up in the mountain over here. Let me go, there we go, right there. Lots of snow. It's gonna get some more snow tonight, more snow Monday. And I assume the way things are going, it's gonna keep getting snow. So that is awesome. A lot of the springs last year dried up pretty soon. My buddy Steve and I, we went up to Dry Lake, and the spring back there was dried up, and I think that was like April. Usually that thing runs all year, so it's good to see all the moisture getting up there. It's gonna fill up all the springs. Really liking that. But we're gonna keep heading up. I'm gonna keep huffing and puffing, try to get my fat butt in shape for hiking this year, and enjoy coffee at the top. It's a little brisk. So we're gonna keep it on. Okay, there's Huck. There's Huck and his mic. There's Huck and his GoPro. But you see, we made it up to the tower here. Boom. It's Morton Peak, Morton Fire Tower, Morton Fire Tower. See Kaipa's back down over there. We're making up some coffee. I want to show you this new kit I got here, so give me a second to stabilize this. Okay, so here's my new cook kit. This is just for making coffee when out on the trail. So you can see I got my Black Rifle coffee here, and I got an Esbit stove that's in here with the Esbit inside. I got my pot. You see here I got a lighter and a hot lips. So what I'm gonna do here, so I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this stuff away like that. I'm gonna get the stove set up. All right, so you can see, sorry about that, my battery cut out. Huck saved the day because I can't seem to locate where my batteries are at, so he gave me one of his. What a generous guy he is. But you can see I can store my Esbit tablets in here. I double wrap these things because they stink like crap. So one thing you hate about Esbit, they just so nasty smelling. To me, it smells like dead fish. What do you think, Huck?
What is that?
Esbit.
It does smell like a rotten fish.
It's like a fishy smell. It's so gross. But anyway, so what you do is you pop one of these guys out here. Like that. And let's pop that in there. It's gonna be hard to light this thing. Especially with this freaking wind. This is why I never use one of these type of stoves. Hold up. Wind is not your friend.
1 hour later.
What's your pack?
I got it. Okay. So, got to get the water out for my coffee. Dang, dude. All right. So, that was a disaster. New cook kit sucks. Huck's gonna be a gentleman. He's gonna boil me up some water here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This thing was just a bad idea. I think this thing is going straight in the trash. It's not worth selling because I think it's only like $8 or something like that for it. But the Esbits are good for fire starting, for like an actual fire, but trying to cook with them, they're complete garbage. So Huck's gonna be a gentleman and he's gonna light up his wind burner here. We're having a lot of problems. We got a storm moving in. You can see over here, there's rain coming down over here. There's rain in front of Mount Baldy back there. So
You can tell it's working.
we're gonna, yeah, you can see that. See his little, see that little stripe there that's orange?
Yeah.
That means it's lit. Huck's a gentleman, man. I thought I was just gonna have to drink cold coffee or something.
Ooh, cold brew.
But it's getting windier and windier, it feels like. What do you think?
Yeah.
So,
Storms are coming.
oh, he also gave me this cookie here.
Storms are coming.
I'm gonna eat this cookie.
Listen to that. See. Oh, that's the wind burner. It's like, oh, that wind. It's the wind burner.
Huck's on keto. I should probably be on keto. But this tastes pretty good for a keto cookie. No sugar. Not bad.
Fat snacks.
Fat snacks. So they're super high in fat. So a guy like me that's not on keto, it's probably not the healthiest thing for me. Whoa. Okay. Huck got the water boiled up here. Woo-wee. Look at that.
I'm a fan of the wind burner.
Huck's a fan of the wind burner. If you didn't know, you know now. Look at that. And go ahead and look at that. Perfect amount. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I'm just gonna let that boil off a little.
I'm gonna go ahead and use my packet here as a stir. Making a mess.
Here.
Now we're good. I got it mixed up now. All All right, I'm gonna get my hot lips on here. It's hard to do anything in the wind. Just makes everything difficult. All right. Not a fan of super hot coffee, so we'll see. Ow.